Fix KakaoTalk login problem. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, you have to make sure you have the latest updated version of your KakaoTalk application in your device. To do so, head over to your Play Store and then search for KakaoTalk. Here, as there is an open button, that means I have the updated version. But instead of this open button, if you have an update button, simply tap on it and install it to its latest version. The next step is to offload the app. To do so, head over to settings, then to apps, and then go to KakaoTalk. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.